Bees Restoration Report. Last time you left me, I was just finishing applying the Bole, and it's finished now, so I think I should let you have a look at it and see what you think. I think you'll agree that it's not looking too bad. I'm actually very pleased with it. All the definition in the carving has come out, and if we go here, I think you'd agree that my repair is looking quite good. Down the side. And just so you know, there is my other repair. Before we get on to gilding, which will be in the next episode, I wanted to go over a few things. One, in the last episode I was told you I was going to actually sand down with 240 grit sandpaper. It turned out to be a bit too rough, so what I ended up doing was getting a 240 grit sandpaper, folding it in half, rubbing it together, and that gave me a smoothness, or a less rough sandpaper with which to sand this down. Also, in one of the earlier episodes, I said that I would come back to show you how to do the cleaning. So I think that's where we should go next. Hello. So we are about to start some cleaning. I wasn't able to show you it on the frame, so I'm going to show you it on the inner frame. And of course it's using conservative soap and white spirit. As I told you before, the mixture is either between 10 to 1 and 20 to 1. I'm using about 15 at the moment because this is quite a dirty frame. So I have my solution here, and all I'm going to be doing is just gently dabbing this on. And once I'm happy that I've got this in all the little gaps, I'm going to leave it for about half an hour to let it work its way in. Now remember, all of this is trial and error. It's depending on the type of frame you have, how dirty it is. You may leave it on for a bit longer. You may not make it as concentrated. And always have a towel or something to allow for some runoff, because while I was working on the frame, I realised that with all those little folds, the liquid was running down and running off the bottom. So, good idea to have a towel or something to absorb the liquid at the bottom. So we'll come back in half an hour and I'll show you me taking this side off. Welcome, I'm back, And I have my cotton buds. And I have a bowl of water, just ordinary filtered water. I use the water to neutralise the solution. I'm not going to apply much pressure, it's just gently turning. I think you can see absolutely filthy. Again, and this will take several hours and probably most of this box. So I'm going to carry on doing that, and the next time you see me we'll be discussing what I'll be doing the gilding. I'll be showing you the materials I'll be using and going through the gilding process. Until then, bye for now.